What's up, guys? Freaky Frank here. I'm sure everyone by now knows what Minecraft is, alright? And if you don't, then, well, where have you been the past like 16 years? Ever since its release in 2009, it has sold over 350 million copies, which is way more than most games have ever even dreamed of selling. Minecraft remains to be one of the best games ever sold or ever created by mankind. And there's nothing that you can say that can change my mind that Minecraft is undoubtedly one of the best games ever created. It's so creative, it's so intriguing, it's so interesting, and it just brings out this level of expression in you that you never knew you had, really. Today I'm gonna hack it. What I mean more specifically, I want to use the component called redstone inside Minecraft to connect to real-life circuitry. And if I was smart, then I would say the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to understand real-life circuitry using
a website or an app like Minecraft, which is easily understandable.
No, I'm not doing that. The reason why I want to connect redstone to real-life circuitry is because I had this amazing idea a couple months ago, and it was just a spark of inventiveness. When I say I had this idea, what I mean is my best friend had this idea and I'm taking the credit for it because it's really awesome. So let me show you how it works real quick. If we get into Minecraft, you'll see, oh, that's weird. What's that doing there? Oh, it's weird. There's a subscribe button on my computer screen. That doesn't make any sense. What's that doing there? I didn't put that there. Guys, I think my computer is telling you to subscribe to Freaky Frank and turn on the notification bell so you can get... Let me show you how the Minecraft server I did works. What a fall, am I right? I sure hoped that looked real in the editing. So here we are in Minecraft, all right? You can tell because it says Minecraft here. Now the next step from here to setting up your redstone world is you want to go into multiplayer. And the reason why this is because you need the server address localhost in all lowercase. And then you can change the server name to whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna name mine Redstone Test 11 because it took me 11 tries to get this working. Then after that, you just wanna click on, oh, whoops, that's not supposed to happen. Then after that, you wanna click on Join World, and bada bing, bada boom, you're in the Minecraft server, and from there on, you can flick a lever to turn on a real-life light switch. Whoa, 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 hold on, Frank, hold the phone. Now, how in the world are you gonna connect to a real-life light switch using this server? All you did was type in localhost into the server address. That doesn't mean anything. Well, I am so glad that you asked, Mr. Viewer, because now I get to show you what 4 days of my actual real life working at life, because now I get to show you, my microphone came off. I can show you guys what 4 days of problem solving and learning a whole new system is going to look like. I'm doing something I have never done before, nor do I even understand what I was doing, all right? There's one point in this where I open a file and it's in another language. But with that being said, let's really dive into how this server I set up is going to work. Oh yeah, and I did change shirts in between scenes. Consistency is not really my thing. Hey guys, Freaky Frank here. I have this gamer set up right now so you guys can see my computer screen. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see a gaming channel, because if so, then I would gladly do a gaming channel for you. Also, real quick, if anyone in the comments can explain to me why this is happening, that would be nice, because I don't know why it does this on my computer. But anyways, enough about that. Let's really get into how I set up this server. So the first actual, hold on, this lighting sucks. Let me see if this works. So the first actual step you want to take, you want to go on some sort of website, so you can search getbucket.com. .org, and you're gonna download a spigot file. Now the spigot file is gonna be what connects your Minecraft server to your actual computer. That way they can communicate data. After that, you want to create a file that you save your spigot. So for example, here I have a file on the side that's called Minecraft server. You can name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. And then here I have my spigot file that I just got. It might look a little different for you guys, don't worry. If you're trying to follow along with me, which by the way, don't. The next step from here, because you should just see like the spigot file from whatever website you downloaded it from, you just want to right click on the side here and press open in terminal. And after open in terminal, you have to type in java-jar space spigot dash 1 point and then whatever file you downloaded .jar. After that, it should unbundle the library. I'm not going to do that because I already did it. Next up, you want to set Python onto your computer. So you're going to want to get back into that terminal like I showed you before. And you're going to want to click pip install Minecraft stuff. And this should be like a long list of stuff that might if you get any errors or anything, just make sure you click on pip install mcpi, or you want to type in pip install pyserial, and we'll write the serial data for later on. And for right now, we're just going to connect it to an Arduino. I have somewhere around here an Arduino Nano, which has a built-in LED on it, so we're going to be utilizing that in our system. To do that, you want to open an Arduino IDE. This is the code you'll want to type into your Arduino for it to detect the data read from Python in your serial. Real quick, I'm going to try and explain this as best as possible. Then you're going to want to create another file inside of your plugins. It's going to be, you're going to want to call it levercontrol.py, which stands for Python. And your Python script should look your Python script should look a little something like this. It'll import the socket and the serial, which is basically, this is the Spigot like API, I think. Okay, the next step after this, you want to go into lever plugins. After you import both of those codes, you're going to want to log into Minecraft, and you're going to have to create a server that works with the spigot that you downloaded. You're going to want to join that server, and hopefully, if everything works, oh shoot, I almost forgot. You want to create a bat. I don't know what bat stands for, honestly, but I know it's what starts your server up. Like, click, oh my god. When you do your spigot and you type in the jar, Java, whatever, then you're gonna have to, the ULA, you're gonna have to change it to true to accept the terms and conditions. Because you need to go to that start bat, you need to double click on it, and it'll give you, it'll start unpacking all of the data. It'll start unpacking, oh my god, from the other thing. You're gonna have to go into this, and this is what your lever plugin open up from the Java download. Okay, that was a lot. I hope you guys caught all that too, because it'll be on the test later. As you can see, we're in our Minecraft server that we made, and you can go and you can flick the lever, and this will that's not supposed to happen. Okay, that's awesome that that's happening. I can't unplug it either because God. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn the camera off because it's taking too much data. All you need to know, alright? Minecraft server, you set this up, alright? This is your Python script. It'll detect lever switches, like bada bing, bada boom. Okay, well, it doesn't say anything, but you can see here, lever change, 15-0, 15-0. And if I can get my camera set up, if you look at the light, you should now be able to see when you flick the lever, it turns on the LED light on your Arduino. Pretty cool, right?